On the fourth day, God created all the sea creatures and fish and animals that were in the water. And then he also created all the birds in the air and the sky. What a glorious, glorious day. For all the creatures of the earth were created on this day. God bless you. I also wanted to speak about praying to God. If you can learn how to speak in tongues, the devil doesn't know what you're saying. So practice it. It might sound something like this. It's not a language that nobody knows but God, but he knows what you're saying. He knows what you're asking for. He will protect you. He loves you.